Hello everyone, a warm welcome to Conny Decorates today, and of course with heart and heartfelt passion, absolutely. And this is our pre-Easter vase decoration with cherry branches, a little Easter nest, and then I had a beautiful Easter egg which I simply placed on top. Dear ones, if you want to know how this really simple but beautiful vase decoration works, stay tuned. We're going to show you now, and this is the base. Here I have a large glass vase, and here again a vase container. It's relatively shallow, practically like a big plate. Just see what you have at home. And what is very, very common is that most of them have a bulge at the top, which of course makes them relatively unstable. When you're making decorations in nature, you can put great fillers like moss, sand, or small stones at the bottom here. That gives you good stability, which I don't have here, but I practically need this outer bowl for my cherry branches, and I really got a good deal. I got them super cheap and thought, especially now in winter, heading into spring, you can decorate them beautifully. And they fit here quite well too. What I want to do now is fix them to the vase. So maybe you have a really big rubber band. You could also connect several together. Wrap it around once and place your branches in between. But what I want is, I have this coated one here. Wire, paper wire, and I'd like to use it now to fix my branches here. And what you can do then, because that way they are very stable, and once the branches are fixed here, you can create good stability, practically a good hold, and then the vase won't tip over anymore. And I start, the decoration. It's already coming down from above. I'll go ahead and start wrapping my wire around here now. I am going to wrap this around twice and then twist the ends together securely. And now I am moving a bit over the top of the rubber band right here, because the plan is that I actually want to cut that part off later on, or more accurately, I will remove it entirely once we have finished fixing all the branches in place. Then I'll already attach this one here, and then I'll take this one here as well. For my second bundle of these cherry blossom branches, I am going to place that one just a little bit further over next to the first one. And now I am also very carefully wrapping my floral wire around this section just once to secure it. So Misha just helped me. It was really a bit difficult to do alone, and he basically held the vase here with the branches, and I placed the first one on and just kept going around here with my wire, and now it's stable, so you don't have to wrap each individual branch. As I said, I went all the way around, and now you can see, is it really stable? And now it holds as well. I'm just going to carefully begin to remove my wire now. And then I'll take a moment to meticulously clear away the small individual protrusions from the branches here, because it looks a whole lot nicer that way. Now I have a few branches here. So I really like it, because this way I was able to press the twigs even more into position. And now it's really wild and absolutely fantastic. And now here I always have these little collections of branches, and I'm going to lay them across my vase like this. I'll just see if I can get a bit more stability by placing some larger branches in between here as well. And I'm basically building myself a little construction here. I'll just set this on top here like this, okay? And then I take my hay here and build myself a little, yes, exactly, a little hay nest. I just place it right in the middle, and I really think that's beautiful. I still have a bit of hay left. So now we have really good stability here, and of course Easter is coming up soon. And I think now you can add Easter elements here, like this beautiful egg. You can just place it on top. There we go. It should actually stay just like that. Of course, water will go all around the outside here. And when the cherry branches bloom, it will look amazing, of course. And if you have an egg in the middle like this, it's just fantastic for Easter. Something I just found, by the way, I actually just went shopping and I found this. I think it's really beautiful. I found and picked up this rope. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. I was lucky, exactly. Chibo had it just now at the Chibo stand. And I think I'll wrap it around the outside here as well. I'll just see if maybe I can even tuck it in here a little bit, because we really have a lot of branches now, and I'm just going to wrap it around here a few more times. I really like it. I also really like the rope. I think especially up here in the north, it really makes a nice statement. Especially here by the coast, it kind of reminds you of rope and shipping. At least that's what I think. But we also have a bit of Easter in here, and it will find a nice spot right here. Now we're going to add a little water. And I would say very simple. And yes, just take a look at what branches you have. And just get started, dear ones. And of course, we really hope that we were able to inspire you today. Then we would be super happy if you give us a thumbs up and take a look. You know, under the video workshop on March 21st, together with Nicole, over 6.5 hours, 3 projects, 1 day with food and drinks, with lots of wonderful time that we spent together, I would be very happy. We would be happy if you join us. As I said, under the video you'll find a link to our website where you can find more information and also sign up, and feel free to follow me again on Instagram at Power of Balance. There are always nice videos there too. So feel hugged, stay healthy. Yours, Connie, and see you then. Bye. It is entirely possible that the profound answers we are searching for are hidden somewhere deep within the crushing weight of a devastating heartbreak, lingering in those quiet moments of sorrow where time seems to stand still and every single emotion feels amplified beyond our control. That is truly all that we have left between us. Perhaps in another life I could have found a way to truly love you in another time. Do you think you could ever truly love me? If our stars finally align in the night sky, if our stars align and the universe grants us this chance, maybe then we would find ourselves living in a beautiful borderland between our two worlds. It was during the course of the year 2020.